I'm so excited. I got a snack crate finally. Ooh, and you can see it nicely. Alright, so I don't know what this is, but we gonna find out. And I got my woman in the background who's gonna be tasting stuff. So if you hear a random ass voice, it's her. Alright, let's go ahead and open this up. I've been waiting all fucking day for this. Cause she was at work. So fuck. Can't open that. Got you too. Thank you. Alright. So let's get this shit crack-a-lackin'. Well, that was easy enough. Alright, so I got the one I picked. It's Hawaii. Alright, Hawaii. Okay. So I never done one of these. Y'all can tell. I know there's reviews on reviews for these, but this is my first one. I got another one coming. Alright. So now I know what's in the box. Okay. Let me move some shit around. Scan the jam. Can you see that? Oh, I just ripped my shit. Just kidding. Alright, so we just gonna get straight into it. Oh, there's a lot of good stuff in here. Alright, the first thing I pulled out is just kidding. Kettle style potato chips. Jalapeno fired. Okay. I guess that's the name. Sorry. I don't know what none of this is. Get a little island spice in your life with these jalapeno flavored crunchy potato chips. Alright. Go ahead and try them. They smell like regular potato chips. They look like potato chips. It tastes like regular potato chips. Ain't nothing hot about them. They're hella salty. Super salty. I don't taste no jalapeno in them, do you?
No.
Me neither. Alright.
It's got like a baby kick at the end.
I don't even taste the baby kick, but I eat a lot more spicy stuff than you do.
You're alright. No, you don't.
I put hot sauce in my noodles all the time. That's what they look like up close. Alright. Put those down there. Thank you. Alright. So then we got Maui style Maui onion potato chips.
Is that like a lemon?
It looks like an onion.
That would make more sense.
Yeah. Crunchy chips infused with savory onion flavor and dusted with salt. Each bite will make you feel that fresh Maui spirit. Okay.
I think those are gonna taste like Funyuns. I love Funyuns.
They smell like the last bag. This is a potato chip.
This is definitely recycling.
I know. I don't like that. No, so that's why they don't sit right with me.
I like these a lot.
You should see the smile on her face right now.
They do taste like Funyuns.
Do they? I don't think they do.
You don't like Funyuns.
You're right. Oh, by the way, guys, welcome to my bar. You can only see this little piece of it, but ooh, Hawaiian cookies. I ain't even gonna chop that name up. Okay.
Do it.
Kakamochi? Yeah. Small crunchy cookies, just kidding. Small crunchy cookies with a traditional Hawaiian flavor known as mochi crunch. These smell like the cookies that you get in them round like bins. You know what I mean? Them tins.
Like the old school Christmas cookies?
Yes. The sweet and salty. Oh, you ain't gonna like them sweet and salty. Sweet and salty taste of these snacks are to die for.
These chips is busting.
Oh, just kidding. Sorry, guys. Cookie. You might like these. Ain't no salt in those. I like those. They even taste like the cookies that you get out of the tin. They're pretty good. And I like how soft, I mean, they're like, not a soft chewy, but they're like a soft crunch. I'm gonna put this to the side. This is our Lilikoi Passion. It's passion fruit juice drink from concentrate. But we're gonna put that to the side. That's what it looks like.
I don't know about those.
I like those. You can get them back.
I bet that's gonna be good.
Alright. Choco mochi, chocolate covered Japanese rice crackers. When I got this, I was telling her what came in the packet, because it kind of tells you like a couple things that come in it. I told her this, she was like, but it's from Hawaii. But they got Japanese rice crackers.
Right, that don't make
What's the thing say on them?
That don't make sense.
A tasty example of Asian influence on the island with crispy rice crackers covered in milk chocolate. It smells like chocolate. It looks like a ball of chocolate. It's crunchy as fuck. It's good though. I'm gonna say that it ain't.
What does it taste like?
I don't know. It kind of tastes like a chocolate Rice Krispie treat. Chocolate covered Rice Krispie treat, but more chocolate. A lot more chocolate. Oh, if y'all want to know what I'm drinking on, see Jaeger Bomb. Drinking it slowly.
Tastes like a Heath bar.
See, I don't eat Heath bars, so I don't really know.
Like
You just had a Heath milkshake, so you know the taste. All right. Yeah, they're decent. All right. Next thing is a taro shortbread. It's a Hawaiian shortbread macadamia nut taro. I don't even know what I think it's gonna taste like. It says this buttery shortbread cookie is infused with the decadent flavors of sweet taro and macadamia nut.
What is taro?
I don't know. I have no idea. You guys know? If anyone ever comments on this, comment and let me know what taro is. It smells like a cookie. It kind of smells like these. That's what it looks like. You should see her face right now. I have no idea. It kind of tastes like these too. It's got that soft crunch.
It look kind of molded.
That's what it shows on the front. It shows something funky on the front. So I don't know. It's pretty good. I mean, I could eat the whole bag. She don't like them. I don't even think she's gonna comment on it. She just don't like them. Alright. So let's get into something good. I mean, it was all good. Besides the chips. Hawaii Pretz pineapple pretzel sticks.
Pineapple?
Pineapple, yeah. Sold exclusively in Hawaii. These crunchy sticks are infused with pineapple goodness. My goodness.
Would have never thought to mix pretzel and pineapple.
Yeah.
It don't sound like it would hit.
But we gonna see. So it comes in this pack. Oh my god, it smells like pineapple. Smell. Don't take one. Smell. Oh, it smells so good.
It does smell.
Get you one.
I won't eat it.
That's what it looks like. It looks like a little stick pretzel. You know, when you breathe out, you can taste something more than you can taste it when you're eating it. That's what it tastes like. I don't even know how that sounded. Let me eat another one because I don't know.
Okay. It's not a pretzel. It's like a breadstick. Or like a cracker.
Like a long cracker, yeah.
And it doesn't really taste like pineapple. It's got a hint of pineapple, but it doesn't like.
It's like the outside is lightly dusted with pineapple flavor.
Right.
These are decent
They're
though.
decent.
I ain't even mad. I could eat those.
Yeah, I'm about to say I could eat all of those.
Yeah. Too bad they're staying up here with me. Nah. Alright. Ooh. Alright, we're gonna do the fruit juice at the end. So, a plum candy. We're gonna try
that
that.
sounds good.
Alright. Made in Hawaii. A piaka. Oh my god, if I'm chopping all these up, I'm chopping them up. I don't know how you say that. Can you guys see that? It's gonna be like a soft cracker again. So this one I think this one is the pineapple shortbread. I guess. I don't know. This authentically Hawaiian treat is made of all native ingredients. Featuring sweet shortbread with a real pineapple filling. Ew, it stinks.
Everything filling is automatically nasty.
It literally just looks like a fat ass cookie. Alright, I'm gonna break this one in half. Alright, so that's what the inside looks like. I don't think she's gonna eat it. It still smells gross. they get stuck up, remember? It, it's very plain. She's like, it used to.
It's like a Fig Newton.
I didn't get that from that.
Well, it doesn't taste like it. It's got the texture, but it's not a fig. You know what I mean? I don't know what's in the middle, but
It's pineapple. With a real pineapple filling, is what it says. Ain't got no ingredients in the packaging either. It just says made in Hawaii. Piaka. I don't think I'm a fan. Okay. These are like the rope things. What's that called? What's that called? I don't know.
extremes.
That's what it is. Yeah. Alright. So this is I can't say that. Linghe Mule Mew Sour Bells. Deliciously just kidding, I can't talk. Delicious, brightly colored gummy strips dusted with Ling something powder, which gives the perfect blend of salty and sweet.
Does salty and sweet make sour or something, or I don't think you got deep enough.
I don't think I did either. Smells sour. It was like the little ropes that you can get here in America. They're sour. Those are good. It's like candy. And it tastes like what we have here. The aftertaste. Any girls that watch this, you remember when you was little and you had the fake makeup that your parents would get you? It tastes like the lipstick. You know the fake lipstick you put on and then you like lick your lips and taste it? That's what it tastes like. But better. And sour. I like these. I don't do so good on the sour stuff. I'll tell a weird story. I could edit this out later. When I was young, I hated sour stuff. My oldest brother, he loved it. So anytime I get like a sour head, I like the candy part of it, but I didn't like the sour outside. So he'd take it and he'd suck the sour off, and then I'd eat it.
Gross.
We're siblings, so.
That's nasty. That's nasty.
I don't care. We were different in our household. My household was little.
Right. Y'all was real different.
Yeah. Alright, so we got 2 different packs of these, which they're the same. So, these are. No, it's already broke. Seaweed crackers. Don't know if she's gonna like them.
I thought seaweed was green.
These are seaweed crackers. Crunchy rice crackers dusted with dried seaweed. This perfect blend of salty and umami flavor. Oh, umami. Oh, this is what they look like. They got Japanese writing on the front, I think. Just kidding. This could be Hawaiian's native writing. I don't know. They smell like rice crackers. Like,
like that aftertaste?
The aftertaste is better than the initial taste.
I like these.
I don't think I'm a fan. But this drink is doing really good about washing this stuff down, I'll tell you that. I don't like those. You can have this. My God, my shit wouldn't start back up. Alright. So we've got 3 things left. One is the drink I've already showed you guys. No, we're gonna try that last. So next thing is, it's called a plum candy. My glitter's on there. Plum candy. Plum. Alright. I don't know how to say this. It's the same thing as the Sour Belts. Lean King Mute Drops. Sweetheart candies flavored with traditional Hawaiian plums with the pit of a real fruit in the center. Don't bite down too hard. So maybe we should try these last. Because we're going to have to suck on them. Just kidding. We're not going to do that. So we're going to do the Hi-Chew. How do you say it? Acai? Acai?
Acai.
Acai. Acai. Looks pretty. It's the Hi-Chews. So these juicy fruit chews featured. Just kidding. I can't speak. These juicy fruit chews feature the unique acai berry flavor and real chia seeds. Ooh, taking delicious. I cannot fucking talk. Taking deliciousness to the next level. Well, I'm ready to go to the next level. I can't do shit with these nails on y'all.
Can't read.
No, I've been drinking, so my words don't come out right. Okay. Ooh, that smells so good.
Is that gum?
It's a chew. It's a Hi-Chew. It's a chewy candy. Ew. Comes in a little tiny pack. What? Ooh. So that's what it looked like, and then it's got an end that's white. Mmm. Mmm. It does taste like it's gonna be a gum, but mmm. I like that. You smell it? It's not a gum. It's a chew. I like this taste. Acai. Acai. That's not natural for me to say.
Oh yeah, that's pretty good.
I don't know what it tastes like because I don't think I've ever had acai before.
It tastes like a passion fruit candy or like.
Oh, then it'll go good with this drink. The passion fruit.
Let me not do that.
What?
Put my feet in there. This one.
You can go ahead. Just do it for the one time. Don't do it 2 times. I like that.
Yeah, sorry.
You know what I don't like about it?
What?
Maybe I'm the only person, but you ever eat Starburst and they leave that thick film in your mouth to where you're like, and you got all that nasty thick phlegm? That's what it does to me. I don't like that feeling. That's why I don't eat Starburst. I got a whole packet in my cabinets that I don't eat. Alright, so before I do the plum candy, we're going to do this. The liquid passion fruit. say that? Liquid. Hawaiian Sun Liquid Passion. This sweet and tangy juice drink is an amazing, just kidding, amazingly refreshing treat for a hot summer day. All right, so do you have to shake well? Pervades request. It's okay. I don't think you can see it. If you can, it's okay. Shake well. That's a natural for me. Okay. It doesn't smell like anything. So it's, can you guys see? That's like a white yellow.
It's like pineapple juice.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it? It still doesn't have a smell. Sorry. Tastes like a juice. I mean, that you would get, like almost like a really watered down mango juice.
Yeah, I really don't have a smell.
That's what it tastes like to me, anyway. It's like a watered down mango juice mixed with like a dash of pineapple. It don't taste like passion fruit, but I also don't eat passion fruit, so it's hella sticky. It's all on my finger. I like that though. I like that drink.
As do I.
What does it taste like to you?
I'm trying to put my finger on it.
Can't quite put my finger on it. Sorry, I can't smoke. You should have seen the look she just gave me when I picked my vape up. I shouldn't smoke in the video. Nope. We got one more thing. Alright, so now we're gonna do the plum candies. Don't drink all that though.
Literally just watch me put it down.
So plum candy, I think I already showed you guys this, but there it is again. Did I already read it?
The
Sweetheart
needs
candy.
a up close and personal. You got, when you take it out, show them the tip in there.
Well, I mean, you can probably see it through here. You see the darks. I'm gonna show them. You can see the dark pit. So that's what they say is the pit of a real fruit in the center. Smells like maple syrup. That's what it smells like to me. It's hella sticky. It's sticking to my finger. Oh, it's like a gooey hard candy. Can you guys see that? That dark stuff is a pit in the middle, and then it's surrounded by like jelly. I don't know if I like that because the pit is like showing, and I can taste that on like a side of my mouth. The pit is sweet with a weird taste. I've never tasted that before. And then the jelly tastes like maple syrup to me. But it's not jelly. The pit is salty. Can you eat the pit?
No. The outside doesn't taste like anything to me. Like nothing. I'm not getting that maple syrup that you're saying. I'm not getting.
Did you smell it first?
It smells like your breath now. That probably smells weird since we just sat here and ate all this stuff.
I don't know if I like that. The pit is super salty. So this is like a good combination of sweet and salty to me. I don't think she can still taste the outside.
I can't.
Can you taste the pit?
Yeah. It's salty. But
Oh!
it just tastes like sugar. Like you know how like sugar it don't have a taste, it just tastes sweet.
Yeah, I guess.
So it's kind of
It's like sugar cane. She had me eat sugar cane one time and it doesn't taste like anything to me and I didn't like the texture.
love it. You just chew on it.
I don't know if I'm a fan of this though. I mean, I could probably eat it till it's gone. But I don't know if I like it.
You wouldn't eat another one afterwards, huh?
I don't know. I got one left though. Want to hear a fun fact? Hawaii grows by nearly 42 acres each year. The result of Mount Kilaue's ongoing eruption.
What is Hawaii?
What is Hawaii? Don't make me look dumb. I can edit this out. Isn't it
What is Hawaii? Answer the question. Stop reading.
a continent? No. Hang on. Give me another try. An island. Technically, yes.
Technically, yes, but what is Hawaii?
I don't even want to be dumb and say country. What is Hawaii?
Are you asking me?
Mm-hmm.
It's a state.
Is it really by itself?
By itself? Is that what you just said?
Isn't Hawaii its own island?
Technically, it is surrounded on all sides by water, so it's classified as an island.
Okay, well, state doesn't come to my mind. So Jamaica is a state?
No. Jamaica isn't part of the U.S. Jamaica used to be part of Europe.
Oh
like
shit,
England.
Hawaii is part of the...
Hawaii is a state.
God, I made myself look so motherfucking dumb just now. You wanna know another fun fact?
What's up?
I got 4 more.
Let me know.
Hawaii was the first... Oh my god!
That's why I told you to stop reading.
I wasn't even looking at the facts. I was over here looking at Hawaii. Welcome. Hawaii was the first state to ban the usage of plastic bags back in 2015.
What do you mean, like Kroger bags, like plastic Kroger bags?
I guess any plastic bags.
Like a plastic Ziploc bag?
Their Ziplocs are probably reusable. Like you guys know you know.
That shit is not funny.
It was funny earlier when you was telling me. Anyway, it's like those reusable freezer bags that people have. I don't have them. My sister got them though. All right. I don't know if I'm gonna say this right. The Dole Plantation is home to the largest maze in the world. I don't even know what that means.
Maize? You don't know what a maze is?
Maize? Like,
Yes.
yes, what is the Dole plantation?
I'm assuming it's a place. The Dole plantation. A plantation is you know what a plantation is.
Mm-hmm.
Because I was about to go into some other shit.
Don't do that.
Exactly.
This is about Hawaii. Alright, so I will not pronounce this. I'm not even gonna give it a shot.
Do it.
No, I'm not. The Hawaii state fish is the whatever the word is, aka reef triggerfish. Come here. Come. Okay. The second one up. What is that long ass motherfucking word? Tell me you was gonna.
Whoa.
Yeah. Try to pronounce that.
What?
Mhm.
Human. Kana. What?
She don't know.
Kanakopawa. What?
Get social with us. Share your snack experience at snackcrate.com.
What kind of name is that, bro?
I'm so excited. I got this.
Ew. Here. Last fun fact.
You shouldn't have read it.
I didn't read it.
Yeah, you did. You said,
Oh, you're right. You caught me.
The people of Hawaii consume the most spam per capita in the U.S. I've never tried spam.
Never. Not
In
in
my life.
Never.
Yeah, I've seen it in movies. It looks disgusting. I watched someone, and I can't even say his name, so I can't shout him out on here because he don't even know me. I don't know him, but he's a guy on YouTube that does shorts and eats like all this spicy shit. And he claimed he doesn't like spam, but then had it in a sushi roll. It was like spam and rice, I think, wrapped in seaweed. He said it was good and it was fried, but it looked disgusting.
It sounds disgusting.
Yeah. So that's about it on these. Yeah, that's what it looked like. You guys, I don't know if you can see that. So yeah, and I ripped it. Way to go, Keisha. Yeah, that's it. Oh, I don't do that. But I will. Okay. So I'm going to get another one later this month. Actually, next month. Because it's the end of May. So I'll get one in June. So like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you want to see more. If you do, you're going to get them anyway. Because I already got subscriptions. So see you on the next snack crate. Just kidding.